What up? Alright, we just got home from playing at the shop, showing you the Honda S2000, and on the way home I finally got the email from GoPro with my tracking number on my new GoPro. So I'm going to sit here and wait for the mailman. He should be here any minute now. So, let's wait. Having a good day. Just spent most of the day at the shop. Of course, my grass needs to be mowed badly. But I'm actually waiting on the mail, which he is down the street currently. I have a package coming. Is my new GoPro. Hopefully it'll be showing up today. By the tracking number it says it's out for delivery, so I'm sitting on the porch waiting for the guy to show up. I'm so excited that I am actually walking to meet the postman. Hello. Thank you, thank you. Well, that is what I've been waiting for. What up, everybody? I got a package in the mail today. This was my birthday gift. It was a GoPro 7 Silver that I had got. Well, when I got the camera and tried to use it, it was defective. So I had to call GoPro, and I sent it back to them. Well, and they just sent me my new one. So we're going to unbox this and get it memory card in it and see if we can actually use it. Of course, they packaged it really nice. I mean, of course, been nice since they messed up and they had bad hardware issue. And I thought they would hook me up with a free memory card or something. But no, So, I bet you it's not even charged. So let's get this thing turned on. And I bet you it's going to want me to do the steps, process, and updating of this little GoPro 7 Silver. Yep, English, agree, off. Yep, I'm about to cut the camera off so I can finish updating this thing. And we'll get back to you when I get done with updating, because I'm using my phone to make this video right now. So, we got the GoPro 7 Silver. I got this for my birthday. And again, the same day, I had to call GoPro and have them send me another camera because it only record about 5-6 seconds, and then the camera would just completely restart. So I sent it back to them. I just got it back, unboxed it, put the memory card in. Now I'm recording, and I'm up to 40 seconds. Now let's go ahead and stop that video. Cool. Now here was the issue I was having with the other one. As soon as I would try to record another video, is when it would start having issues. Well, we are now recording. We are 6 seconds in, so it looks like this GoPro Silver 7 is a lot better than the first one I got. But I'm grateful for this camera because I did get it for my birthday. I did get this camera for my birthday from my mom and her boyfriend. I don't know why I said that. But hopefully I can get a little bit better content with this one because I am currently using, where's my other GoPro? Hold on. Using a GoPro Hero 1, basically. GoPro Hero Plus. I love this camera because it does everything I need it to do. The only problem with both of these cameras is they have internal batteries. So I can't swap them out. So if my battery dies, like the other day when I went to messing in the park, worked on the Harley, I had to charge up the camera because halfway through my vlog, my camera died. Well, then I plugged it into the cigarette lighter, and of course, it takes forever to charge. But I'm still planning on keep using this one because I love the video quality on this. I eventually would love to get a microphone for them. That'd be one of my next steps if I quit spending money on car parts. Let's see. Check out your dashboard. Okay, no big deal. I've already ran through the features on one of these because I had one for about a day. So I am going to turn off my phone and I'm going to switch over to the GoPro 7 Silver. So hold on one second and I'll be right back. Alright, well, we're back with the GoPro 7. Let's see, I'm going to make this video and see the difference between my phone camera, my GoPro Plus, and my GoPro 7. Are you sneaking out of the room? Yeah, she's sneaking out of the room. She did help me set the GoPro up because I can't see myself. And I'm not going to use the Wi-Fi app because that's the first feature I'm going to turn off is the location and the Wi-Fi. Even though you can turn them on again later, they like to drain your battery. One thing I've noticed with the Plus, if I have the Wi-Fi on and I forget to plug it in, it will be dead the next morning if I leave the Wi-Fi on. Because you can turn the camera on and off and record everything with your app. But I turn that feature off until I need to use it. That way I have a little bit longer battery life. So one thing you'll learn with the GoPro 7 is turn the Wi-Fi feature off. So I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye. Hopefully y'all like your GoPro 7s. I did have a problem with mine. I was going to give it a bad review, but GoPro went ahead and made it right and sent me a new camera. And I did check because I kept the serial number for my recent camera and checked the serial number on this new camera. And they are completely different serial numbers. So they sent me a whole new camera and already updated. So I didn't have to even update it. I just had to hook it to the app for about a second. So now I'm going to go ahead and charge the GoPro 7 up so we can go ahead and start working on another vehicle or start working on any vehicle. Get something going. I love working on cars. So until next time, I'll catch you later.